Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
Episode 32 of Cyrus Says was released on August 27th, 2015.
Just to remind everybody that language usage and content that we provide here may be disturbing, disgusting, probably will be and should be. Words like bloody custard and words that rhyme with that may be featured. Actually will be featured. In fact, perhaps will only be featured. Just warning you.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All right, on this program, Cyrus Says, I have a thought which I want to share with the entire society, in fact, all over the world. And that is, I think, by August, we've had about 9 New Years already. And I think that's about enough for India. We have to end somewhere. So my point is, I realize we're different communities and it's a secular country. We must embrace that always. But my point is, why don't we have just one New Year? We don't have to have 31st December or, Diwali New Year or Parsi New Year or Chinese New Year. Don't select one of those. Take a neutral date. Let's say July 15th, which is nothing. That could be the New Year, where everybody embraces their own particular New Year at the same time. So, I'll wish Chavi a happy Punjabi New Year, which comes twice in one year. It's once only now. They changed it without telling me. How dare they? All right, folks, it's called Cyrus Says. My point is, New Year should be one.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
Yes, on Cyrus Says, we discuss dustbins, Wi-Fi, Maggie. Of course, I don't remember if we answered that question. And most importantly, Rati Chaudhary's life and times, how she is combating civic terrorism in Mumbai. Welcome to Cyrus Says. With me, the beautiful, ravishing Chavi, and equally beautiful and ravishing Rati Chaudhary joins us. And she's a very famous journalist, as well as a person who's the last word on societal matters. Because that's a very open, flexible forum. We want to just talk about anything we feel like. For example, you find it cold, Chavi, for some reason, and you will not get your blood checked. And I've been telling you.
Get my blood checked?
You must get your blood checked because everybody else is fainting.
Only you.
We've lost 2 guests in 2 weeks. They've died. Out here because of the heat.
Because they were freezing.
If I could even spell that, I would argue the point, but since I can't, it's pointless. Please, Rati, make your presence felt. Ask the shouting show. We're like Parliament, but with better clothes. Go on.
Hi, Cyrus, and on the note of New Year's, a very happy Navroz Mubarak to you. Not happy
thank you.
Navroz
But can we do this on July 15, 2016?
Who will do?
Where I'll celebrate everybody's New Year's together. I get bored after some time.
Really?
Yeah, it's like they target you. Parsis are so few, so that everyone, Parsi, let's wish him. So the whole crowd comes.
They want Bonu.
They may want what they want, but I'm saying everybody attacks you because unless it's a fire temple, there's basically 3 Parsis in the entire city, right? So everybody descends. 15 million Indians who are not Parsis come and attack you, say, Saal Mubarak, Navroz Mubarak, things like that.
I have to confess that on Twitter, for example, if it's Eid or it's Navroz,
you naturally...
I have to think of all the Parsis and all the Muslims I know, and then I have to wish them.
Yeah, and the good thing is very similar names.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
What?
I make up people to wish, so I sound popular. Like if it's Diwali, I'm like, happy Diwali Ganesh. I don't know anyone like that, but I just say it. I think the great thing about the internet is if you make up things, no one will ever know.
Alright, Twitter, you have to tag them.
I am going to target Google. I'm going to just challenge their facts. Whatever they write, we'll just change them. I'm telling you, one day there'll be many Googles and the world will be a better place. Why should the highest mountain be Mount Everest? Why can't it be Pali Hill? For example, somebody in Jakarta won't know the difference. Why do we get into this whole argument? Let's find our own Google. Let's not waste time. Let's talk about your life. Now, I have studied and researched it 30 seconds ago as usual because I'm a consummate professional. You were at CNN IBM, a place where I'm still stuck in.
That's right.
And let me tell you that now we have to show a card which touches the electric panel and the doors open like in Star Trek and then we go in. I don't know if you had that in your day.
No, well, Reliance has taken over and they have more money. So you've become more tech savvy. We didn't have that.
That's true. They have more money, not necessarily I have more money. Let me just make it clear the whole thing. Which reminds us, what was your salary like at CNN?
Some
give or take,
three
ballpark,
figure.
Huh? 3 figure. 3 figure.
That was up to
you heard that? Did you read this
999?
breaking news today that now the government is thinking of pondering with an idea that domestic helps must get minimum 9,000 rupees a month.
Wow.
9,000 rupees. I think it's about time this has happened.
Full-time means part-time household?
It's not very clear because I've not actually read. I don't like to read more than 2 lines of anything.
You just read the headlines.
Well, not even the headline. Half the headline and then I sort of wing it from there. But I think it's about time.
That makes no sense though. how many
Why,
hours.
Rati, how much do you pay your hired help? Let's call them.
Well, I'm safe. Let me say that because she works for me full day, so I'm safe.
But 9,000 to nahi hoga.
Hey.
9,000
I
you
live
pay.
in Bandra. I have
For
to pay
10,000
that
I'll
much.
work for you. And I'll grow my hair. I can be the maid. No problem. 10,000 bucks. 9,000 bucks you paid the maid? In Malabar Hill, we give them money for weekend cinema. Which is expensive, but not nowhere close to that.
No, I think our standards are very low.
But are we not doing enough, Chavi?
No.
We feed them. We clothe them.
We do.
Sometimes we even allow them to come and stand next to us while we're eating. I mean, what more can we do for people?
What about sitting at the dining table with you or on your couches?
But next to sit on my lap?
So when I
don't
lived
even
in
allow my wife
America
to do that.
many years ago, 9 years ago,
Right.
a cleaning lady charged $90 an hour. Right?
Where?
In Boston.
Why are you
Outside
always
Boston.
comparing in America?
So I'm trying to tell
An anchor, a TV anchor in America makes about $5 million a year without even anyone knowing his name, which is the same
across
case
the
here.
board,
but-
India is really bad with payments. We're totally shortchange our employers. We're too many people, I think, and so because there's so much supply, there's just no respect for work.
9,000 rupees minimum. Let's think of our own professions. What do you think is minimal for you? Rati, as a now journalist, what should we call you? A teacher, sort of?
No, well, I'm head of internal communications for British Council.
Say that slowly.
South Asia.
Say that slowly again. Head of.
internal communications.
Dekha, Chavi, head.
Teachers
Not some small fry.
South
This
Asia.
show we get the big guns. You people just throw people at me. Rati, I've got personally.
What?
Well, and I'm not
Okay, fine.
getting
If you
paid
say
a lot.
So coming
It
back to
says
the-
head,
Let's
but
talk
it's
figures.
not.
Ours is a figures show. Come on, tell me honestly, what are you getting paid about?
She has a very nice figure.
No,
I
but
think we should leave it there.
if the domestic help is getting 9,000 in Bandra, which she's paying, she should be getting at least 50 times that amount. I would presume minimum 50 to 100 times that amount.
Well, we are a dink family, double income, no kids.
No, we didn't
So
think it was like
yes.
an animal. Don't worry.
Dink is glue, by the way, in Marathi. Since we're going to come to how much we speak Marathi.
Well, in Yiddish, in Israel, Dink is a normal name.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like Benjamin, his
You know
cousin
a Dink?
Dink. Yeah, it's normal. It's very, very
Oh, I
common.
didn't know any dinks, but I've eaten dink laddus.
Which are made of glue.
Yeah, gond.
So they're stuck together, which would make them balls.
They're
basically.
yum. by
That
the
way
way.
also we are a dink family.
Okay, two disconnected conversations. Mine going in the right direction with class and
glue.
sophistication, and yours something about vernacular tensions in the country. Let's get back to Rati's whole kahani, which is basically before we come to the whole British Council thing, which is very important. Let's talk about the fact that you're from Delhi,
Yeah.
and you're not ashamed to say that. Firstly,
No.
and that you've had a terrible time in Mumbai. I want to get into those personal issues, but quickly your background. You got into journalism first, is it?
That's right.
And-
Started my career with journalism. So Times of India, then
In Delhi?
short stint at in Delhi. Short stint at Z Business, and then 4.5 years at CNN IBN.
4.5 years at CNN IBN, where we shared
where you
the
stuck.
same office.
Were you on air? Were you
Yeah.
doing
I used to cover technology.
Okay.
Gadgets.
Gadgets.
cool.
No double meaning there. And so we
But
were.
we need more women to do that. Yay, go girls.
Okay, can I just make my point, Chavi, which is simply that we were in the same office for 4.5 years.
Yay,
and not
same
once
office.
Well,
did
you were
Rati
in
say
Bombay.
hello.
You
Not
were in
once.
Bombay. I
Yeah.
was in Delhi. But when well, you're a celebrity,
But you could
right?
have Skyped,
I did.
you could have Skyped me.
I waved at you a couple of times, said hello.
But from Delhi.
No, here
This has been
also.
going on from the
Here
central
also.
government and the Maharashtra government because people have been doing that and there's no communication.
No, in Bombay also.
Wait, so do random people Skype you all the time?
Saying
I,
hello,
what do you
waving
say?
at him.
I live in a cave. I'm like Osama's seventh son, the one who doesn't want to be a, jihadist. So I've got nothing. There's no technology.
So how is she going to reach you even if she's dying?
No, but
to
we
say
were in the
hello?
same office. She was in Mumbai for 6 months.
For 6 months, yeah.
In those 6 months, we have to pass them to shoot and all that. So we pass all the anchors.
And you want everybody to stop what they're doing and so queenly, like you can wave
I
at them
did,
and blow
I did.
kisses.
Yeah.
CNN
I did do
IBN is
that.
like a government office. Nobody looks up only. And the worst part is they have this thing which people don't know about news stations. They make them stand and give their 2-minute things. I don't know, Rati, if you ever had to do that in a technology segment, but definitely I've seen them. And sometimes they're wearing short skirts. I don't want to be mean, but we walk under them and they've got these short skirts. And I have to tell the boys to keep their heads down. Of course, we carry mirrors, and but that's just disgusting. Of course, we don't, Chavi. Of course, we don't. But I just once jokingly told one pretty girl standing on the desk, I said, "Are you punished?" And she was so offended. She's trying to learn her lines and all that. She had some 4 lines to say. It was very angry. Gave me a really dirty look.
That's hilarious. You have to stand on the desk?
Yeah. It just changes the background. You tell us, Rati, what is the reason? Why did they stand on the desk?
Not on the. I haven't seen them standing on the desk, but they stay wherever they can get a background where you can see the entire newsroom.
On their desk. It's on the desk. That's
Maybe
the funny part.
to get a better angle.
And they
of
weren't the
newsroom.
shorter ones. They were like normal height.
I haven't seen that.
So the cameraman is also standing on a desk.
The rumor has it that the management says that's the way you'll get a raise. That's about it.
Or they stand there to impress you when you walk in, standing on
I'm going to
Salute you.
To teach them a lesson, I'll wear a short skirt and do the same thing. You see what happens
Wow. I think you should totally do
then. Okay,
that.
let's go into the first story which we have. Rati's tryst with destiny. About sometime back, let's say a month or so, you were trying to buy a place in Powai, suburban
Right.
Mumbai. And you parked your car and tell us what happened.
So we were house hunting. This was
You and me.
no.
No. You as in your husband and you.
And I. So both of us, we had gone to Powai in one of the, I don't remember the building's name though, but we had parked the car in the building the compound, and then we went upstairs to see the apartment. We came down and we heard this strong thud, like mirror breaking.
So you thought a neighbor, probably 6th floor, had just fallen.
People started running. So we also started running towards that direction. We saw it was our car. When we reached the car's the back mirror, it had completely shattered. The first thought was that maybe it's the heat.
The back mirror, the back whole window.
Yeah. The whole
so you have now
window
5
had
entries
shattered.
to your car. You have the 4 doors and you have the back window. All right.
Yeah. So we thought it's the heat. I mean, and the immediate explanation was someone has hit it. That's the first thing. But nobody saw nobody running, and the angle of something dropping from above was wrong. So we thought maybe it's the heat that has.
I don't want to sound mean, but is it possible that you were talking about parking and arguing with the broker when this happened? Because
No.
Se patthar.
Yeah, I know. Just to teach you a lesson, because in Mumbai parking is a huge issue. Anyway, we'll get back to that. So then you came down, you saw this, and
then by the time we were trying to figure out, we thought maybe could be this, could be that. Somebody has hit somebody. Then one of the guards said that why don't you look, there may be a bullet inside. Bullet dekhiye. And we were like, we thought he's kidding. But when we actually peeped inside and all that, shattered glass, we actually found a bullet. And then, I started calling my media friends and then...
Okay, will you hold so that my producer can put in some haunting music here? You actually found a bullet. Bam, 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 bam. Beethoven's Fifth. No, but that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Here in Powai, you've gone up to just look at a flat, you come back and they've shot your car. Now here's the crunch. Who shot your car? Tell us.
No. So the main story is yet to come. So, then someone said that there is a police firing range nearby, and these stray bullets are very common in that area.
Because they've not understood the concept of range, which has to be locked-in facility, and the bullet cannot go out of the range. Hence the word range.
Yeah, and the cops also came. They were so callous about it, saying, "Arey, direction galat hota hai, to kahin bhi jata hai na goli." So we were like, it would have been hard.
It's the bullet's fault or the wind?
Maybe for you.
It's our fault.
Park the car facing the wrong way.
Of course.
You should have put it up horizontally or something.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah,
Next time,
If
pack
there
your.
been somebody in it, that's just insane. I mean, if
Then they
not
wouldn't have
the
been
bullet,
that casual. I think it might be slightly.
glass shattering
At least
could
1 day
cause
suspension
something.
would have happened. Something would
And
have.
then we tried to dig in, and there were more cases like that in the same building, in the neighboring buildings, and nobody has done. They're just waiting for something.
How can they sell flats in that building? I mean, your chances of death are 50% at the moment. I mean, this building is gone, as far as I'm concerned.
But people are living there, I think.
So what happened? What's the end of the matter? You're a journalist. You took it up. Where did it go? What happened? Did you jail the police or not?
No, they were not even ready to file an FIR. We were, I called my journalist friend. There were a lot of journalists there at that
But
point.
can't you talk to a higher power? Like Namo himself, or if not that, then can you at least talk to anti-corruption
DIG
or
or something?
some other part of the... Well, somebody who investigates, like internal affairs, I don't know what we are called. I only know from American studios it's internal affairs when this kind of thing, mismanagement happens in a police station or police range. So was there anyone else you could talk to?
Actually, the ex-journalist and me, or the experience, I really wanted to do a lot of things. I took it up on social media forums, wrote a blog about it, told it to as many editors as I could of the newspapers. But nobody from that building was doing anything. They didn't even, like, the management didn't even come to meet us. So beyond a point, it got very frustrating that, we need help. I am an outsider. I'm trying to, fight for your cause here, and you yourself are not bothered. The cops are not bothered. Nobody is bothered. So why should we bother? After 3 days of fighting, I gave up.
It's an amazing story. I mean, people go into battle and come back with stories which are not as exciting as this.
That's really wild. So what happened with your car though? Did insurance cover it
No,
or anything?
nothing.
What?
We just got it.
Well, that's
Bizarre.
But this is unbelievable. So at the end of the day, you got no compensation. Obviously, you never bought
Nobody
the flat.
took responsibility.
Nothing. No.
That's amazing.
And you know what the real story is here, which no one's got? No one's paying attention to the real story, the understory, the underlying condition, which is that the police can't shoot properly. I mean, they've got a range and they're supposed to hit the target and they're hitting people's cars miles away. Apparently, this is Ghatkopar. For those who are listening to the podcast outside Bombay, Ghatkopar is one one part of Bombay. Powai is actually another part of Mumbai, and although they are neighboring parts, it's a long way off. So what the hell? How bad was this guy? Arey, aaj mera turn, tick toing. I mean, it's another street, literally. I mean, how do you do that?
It's a car outside.
Yeah. I mean, this guy's guarding my life. I'm going to be really worried.
And imagine the power of it came with a lot of force to shatter the...
That is because the manufacturer gave them a very powerful gun, but the moron who's shooting it is the worry. I mean, can't even shoot straight, and then they're callous about it. I love the excuses. What did they say? Angle ठीक नहीं था.
The one cop was telling us, he was like, "Arey saab, abhi सीधा होगा तो चलेगा, थोड़ा टेढ़ा हुआ तो गया."
This sounds very vulgar also. Huh? If the police talk like this, I'm not going to talk to them ever again in my life.
Just think, a few seconds here or there,
we
and
could
you
have
could
been
have been
there.
in the car.
So now Mumbai and Uttar Pradesh are separated by one wall. That's what it basically means.
We're the same.
There's no difference. And we love Uttar Pradesh because the wolves come from there. We'll take a break and then we'll come back. When I say wolves, I mean the four-legged wolves. The ones you can trust. Welcome back to Cyrus Says with Rati Chaudhary, journalist and now management guru, as well as tech expert and a person who's teaching English to people in India who don't want to learn it. But let's get back to the first part of the show where we discussed a stray bullet. I still can't get my mind around the fact that a stray bullet, negligent police action, they shot something from a firing range that hits you miles away in a building compound where your car is parked and no action has been taken. What has happened to our country? Have we gone completely mad? This is just unbelievable.
It's bizarre.
You'll probably be safer in Syria at the moment. I mean, let's be honest. You can park your car in Syria and you'll be okay. This is nonsense.
Yeah.
Rati, I will not breathe until I do something for you. We will get your car insurance and we will get that guy suspended. I'm going to hold my breath until this comes through.
Please go to this outside. We can't take responsibility for
this. No,
this.
don't say thank you. Say don't do that because otherwise I'll die.
Don't do this.
Please.
No, don't do it. Do it.
Please say don't do it.
Don't.
Just
He's turning blue. This is terrible. He doesn't know how to be quiet. He'll die of being quiet.
The thing is, I look like a goldfish normally. Imagine what happens when the breath piles up after some time. There's no end. It's like the big balloon.
Let's discard this idea immediately.
Let's discard the idea, but under all this so-called brevity of ours, let's understand your pain, and I'm totally on your side. It's just ridiculous that people with proper jobs, living in society with their connections, and you're a media person, you say stories were filed by electronic media in all languages across the country
10 stories,
about this story, and the police remain happily, blasé about the whole thing, and are continuing to shoot till today. As we speak, there's a glass being splintered, or a child playing cricket might get hit, or worse.
Is that the only building that experiences?
No, in fact, IIT Powai also. If you just Google
IIT
this,
Powai, our best brains killed by our police because of mismanagement and because angle ठीक नहीं था. मैंने बंटी को बोला यार left से मारो.
They're trying to stop the brain drain. By just
are you saying that High Command is involved in some way, trying to take over the IITs by shooting them? Let's shoot this batch and we'll get a new one. These ones were too short. Bang, bang. God,
they
that's
were in
really
danger
mean.
of immigrating, so we'll just make sure they stay right
Listen,
here.
for a South Bombay boy, Powai is immigrating. So I was anyway taking the side of a neighbor here. Let's get back to another story. Now, this is unbelievable. Rati, I've met for the first time. Well, I've seen her in IBM where she ignored me. A classy lady, for sure. And no, the thing is that it's almost like karmic now. So you've got this happening to your car. And then today, please tell us what happened as you were coming to our studio in a fine part of our city. Tell us.
So I stopped at the signal. This is outside Ladies Salvation Church.
Yeah, where Chavi gives money every day. Half her salary is given to Lady Salvation Church.
Portuguese church, right outside the Portuguese church.
You get a free Portuguese accent every time you do that.
Yeah.
Oh, how exciting if I'd done that.
Yeah.
Obrigado.
What is Portuguese accent? I don't know what it's Portuguese.
I don't know, just roll your R's and make funny sounds.
Yeah. I can do Brit accent since I work with the British Council. No.
Tell us the story in a British accent.
Come on. And I'll try and answer in a Portuguese one. If nothing happens, at least we'll have fun. Come on.
Okay, coming back to my car and its woes.
Yeah.
So I was parked at I'd stopped at the signal and there's this bus coming, trying to
big
come
red
from the right.
double-decker.
Not the red one, the AC one.
Oh, the purple.
Bada baap ka bus hai.
Red.
They have the attitude. Immediately I got the attitude. Bada baap ka bus hai. These guys think now we are the big shots. The movers and shakers are in our bus, so we'll do what we want.
Yeah. So this guy is coming closer, and then finally by the time I realized, he's coming, I got scared and I'm waving at him saying stop because, you'll ram my car.
When they want to overtake, they just need to come as close as possible. They don't care.
Absolutely.
And they're the big guy, you're the small guy. That's the truth.
And I'm a girl, so he had this attitude.
So you're a small girl. I stand corrected.
So he totally rammed my car, and the side mirror went,
But we can't show anybody pictures, unfortunately.
We can
I
send
have
them to her
pictures.
Twitter feed. It's
I have
Rati
tweeted
Chaudhary.
about it in the morning. Yeah.
Okay, so through some technological channel, we'll send each and every listener a picture of what happened to the car, so you understand what she's going
Can I
through.
simplify this? If you want to see pictures, go to her Twitter feed. It's Rati Chaudhary, Chaudhary.
Yeah.
No, and please see the picture because it's a crowded place and the bus just trying to do what we call Dadagiri in Mumbai has just come and he's basically muscled her out. All right, which they do and they don't think it's an accident. That's not an accident. It's because you dare be
You
where you
blocked
were.
their way.
So I've got to push you out.
He was smiling smugly and like, either you apologize or you pay for this.
And please tell them all the different isms that happen uske baad. When you start arguing, how all the different prejudices come out.
So first this guy said, "Arey, ye ladki jhoot bol rahi hai, gaadi chalani nahi aati."
And more because it's a ladki. Let's look at the thinking here.
He made
It's
sure.
a ladki.
Okay, so wait. I want to picture this scene. So he smashes your side view mirror. You stop the car.
I stopped the car in front of, like, first I tried to argue
Chavi.
him.
She blows him a kiss and says, "Thank you, man."
No. So
Jai
I don't
Hind.
know what
It's
angle
Independence
now.
Day.
First
She
What?
block his path so that he couldn't go any further.
She's from Dali. She took out the rada. She came for the
Yeah, so
Gedi
the Delhi-
and ended with the rada. All this happened.
First
What
I
is
tried to
Rada?
argue with him
Rada is
by
fight in Mumbai.
pulling
Sorry.
the window down, and I'm trying to say, "Arey, aap ya to sorry bolo."
But he's giggling at you like
he's
a
giggling.
schoolgirl
He's
and-
smiling.
yeah,
I
yeah.
have that photo of him, smuggling,
unbelievable. And he's
smiling.
not male model of the year 1995. I
course
tried
not.
to look at him and not pleasant. Huh?
Yeah. So then I, finally decided to stop the bus just to argue with him, not to, create any kind of nuisance, and just to get him to at least give me the money. Or then cops came quickly. That area has a lot of cops at that time, of the day. So they came and they said, "Arey, madam, bus ko kyun roka hai, jane do." I said, "Agar koi mar gaya hota, you would have said the same thing."
What about your
this is-
compensation?
What about my compensation? He's like, "Acha, abhi aap jane do, don't stop the bus." But all this
So
chaos
it became
is
a
happening.
societal issue that you're causing havoc to traffic.
Yeah, it
so you
was
suffer
all
your
my
loss.
fault. It's
I mean,
my-
that's ridiculous.
my fault, yeah.
Injustice.
Yeah.
No insafi. 40 years of Sholay.
Then this one guy comes out of the bus because when they started getting anxious.
Hold, we'll play the right music. Dang, 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 dang. Jaws music I'm playing for you. Huh? And then?
Then this guy tells me, he started talking to me in Marathi, and I'm like, Marathi nahi aata. Either you talk in
Mahithi nahi.
Hindi or English. So he's like, तो बॉम्बे में क्या करते हो? पहले तो
Has he
बॉम्बे
heard
आते हो
of
फिर
MNCs?
गाड़ी रोकते हो.
Multinational companies who speak French and German. and living a very polished life.
Well,
So again, the point under our brevity here is simple. They see a lady, it becomes a sexist issue. They see a person who's not Marathi speaking, it becomes a North Indian issue. I mean, the whole thing is, what is the point? The point is she's just driving a
And
car.
might is
You
right.
bullied her and might is right. And even the police are saying for the sake of society, Samaj ka seva ke liye, you have to just move the car.
Nobody's
I mean,
held accountable.
come on!
Nobody.
for them it was amusement for cops.
That
They're
is
like,
why-
"Arey, madam,
So
jao na abhi
this
kya?"
We
happened
should
to
have a
somebody I
choke
know as
day
well.
where one day a month we should be allowed to choke any member of the bureaucracy that we choose to, whether be it a policeman, a post office worker, a BMC employee, anybody who's really hassled you. I think one day a month we should be allowed to. So where Rati can
think
go
besides-
to the other and
I think we
hey,
should
come here,
drop the
and then just
pay.
choke him as much as he wants.
Choking is not going to matter. You have to cut
Oh,
off the chai pani.
punching. What about banging the head in the water and singing a whole Bappi Lahiri song
Oh,
with
Bappi
action?
Lahiri waterboarding.
Yeah,
Wow.
something like that. Yes.
That's really
Yes.
like
My Delhi friends
serious,
are
man.
suggesting, and I think you also suggested
Yeah.
that I should have broken his.
No, I'll tell you, we are trained that if you want to... and
Is
may
that
I
what
never
you're
say
talking
this on a podcast because this is like violence and that we are trying to encourage it. But and may I say this is wrong. Just like drinking and driving, smoking and driving and just driving without clothes on. So I just want to quickly tell you that I am told off the record that if you want to cause trouble with them, the bus drivers, you break the side mirrors. If you break the side mirrors, they can't see, they can't move the bus and they are made to pay for that.
Catch you and
That's
thrash
the only
you,
time they're
man.
made to pay for that.
It was Shivaji Park,
Yeah, well, okay, so discretion better part of valor, but there'll be another day where you will live to win the battle.
You
Don't
know,
worry.
the other thing is, with your car, you can't hit the side view mirror because it's very high up.
No,
you have to carry
you
a
have to
sledgehammer.
carry, yes.
You have to
I
carry
didn't want to
lean
say
out
it.
from the
but
passenger
since,
Baseball
side.
bat.
since you suggested it, what a bright suggestion you've come up with. Oh,
I'm just
pacifist,
being
liberal,
like,
you.
logical here.
What happened to Chavi the
No,
liberal?
listen, I'm the kind of
no.
person, I want to carry a foldable sledgehammer in
How
my
come, you're not going,
purse.
how come you're not going with the bus driver's psyche and the societal issues, the ramifications of
no.
poverty and how he comes from a disturbed childhood and how his work is terrible and how he's suffering so much and why can a rich woman with a proper job and a happy husband and all that, why can't you just let it go, let him have this one battle because his life sucks and he'll die at 42 of a heart attack because he hates his job, his life, his wife, his family, his city and everything around him. Why didn't you say that? I'm very surprised. I'm very surprised you let this go. I thought you'd be
You
crying
read
by
me
now
so
about the
wrong,
bus driver.
Cyrus. You read me so wrong.
No, but I think I'm
very anti-establishmentarian.
This is what I call middle class woes of India. Nobody cares about us. My great friend Kunal Vijayakar, the fourth in philosophers from Greece, after Socrates, Aristotle, and Plato, there's a Vijayakar, Maharashtrian Greece. Don't ask, but because of the rate and all that, now Indians can go there and buy what they want. He came up with a very, very good suggestion when it comes to all this and this issues that we are facing, which is the middle class. Upper class India, the truly rich, and poor India, the poverty-ridden India, they control India. Middle class India, we pay the taxes, we are told what to do, we are scared of everyone and everything, and we get bullied. Infrastructure collapses on us. Poverty-struck India and super-rich India, they live like kings. Let's fight back for middle class
And
India.
making you feel like an outsider in your own country.
Yeah. A region comes second, India comes first. You can't get into all this.
Not here. It's a sad thing, but this is really what happens in our city.
That's why I've been singing Harry Belafonte songs. I want to go back to Trinidad.
Michael rowed the boat ashore.
And row me to Trinidad, Michael. Don't stop. Don't stop till we reach the shores of St. Lucia, where everyone is safe. Nobody bangs cars there. They do bang, but not cars.
You might face racism there too. You don't look Trinidadian.
Are you mad? 48% are Indians.
Really?
All you have to do is get the accent. I look like half the people there. I don't know. I can do a Jamaican man, maybe. Trinidad will take some time, man. Slower drawl possible a little later in the program. But we've got to talk about so many things which we haven't.
Okay, now you do your British accent.
Yeah,
Come
do your
on.
British accent.
No.
Come on. Sing a Hindi song with a British accent.
Not very good at it. No.
How can you not be good?
Come on,
But
love.
I'll just tell you how they pronounce my name. Everyone calls me Ratty.
Ratty, which is a common name in literature in England. If I remember P.G. Woodhouse, no?
Ratty?
There are plenty of references.
Ratty.
I think we'll take a quick break and then come back. We wasted time ranting and raving, which should have been only the first 2 minutes of the show, but we'll come back and discuss your life and times. But again, bus drivers and policemen who shoot indiscriminately from ranges and kill people and cars millions of miles away. Shame on you.
Man.
Shame on you.
My poor car.
And I've been saying this, guys, from the beginning, don't take buses. Just don't take buses.
I don't think you should leave your house at this rate, yeah. Bus will get you if you're in a
plan.
car.
I love that plan. I think India will go forward if everyone stays at home. Take a break, we'll come back. Yes, back here on Cyrus Says, Rati Chaudhary, of course, intrepid journalist, explorer, is fighting with Chavi, and I've just separated them. They've gone berserk. Because Chavi was suddenly taking the side of both the police and the bus drivers and saying that people in uniform should not be frowned upon. And I understand. You can have a different point of view. This is a democracy. We are egalitarian setup. Go and say what you want. No, in many cases, it is true. Their lives are hard and this and that. But my point is, justice is blind to everything. When somebody bangs your car, and I'm going to do my Justice Chaudhary voice, which is Jitendra at his absolute best. When somebody bangs your car, that's the only thing we should be talking about.
Milord.
How the car banged, not where in Uttar Pradesh your great-grandfather was born. I can't see the correlation. You see? When people fight.
You forgot to say Milord.
I think you've lost my trend of thought, so I'll just move on to the next topic. Rati, welcome to the show and happy thoughts now. So you were in CNN IBN. Sorry, I said happy thoughts. I'll move on. We go straight to corporate communications where you are now sort of like a pioneer and you're teaching English at the British Council, which means that people in Britain don't speak English and hence you're teaching them about their own past.
No, I do nothing like that. We do teach English, but... that's a different department. I take care of internal communication.
Who go, Madam, aapka hai. And then you say, no, you have to say, Madam, this is yours. Is it like that?
That's right. One of the things that we do. But I take care of internal communications because we are in 110 countries. So it's within...
within? Okay.
Within the...
And only one of those 110 speaks English. So you must have a real problem. Hello, Venezuela.
Wait,
Hola?
so you're the head for South Asia. How many countries in South Asia have
7
a British
countries.
Council?
Very interesting countries. So Pakistan, Bangladesh, Iran, Afghanistan.
Where are the countries?
Iran is South Asia?
I mean...
Iran comes... We don't have a physical presence in Iran though.
I'm blown away.
Listen, you and your geographical issues now. You always see the wrong point. It's not about whether it comes strictly under South Asia or not.
Let me tell you one thing that you should have at least figured out about me, but I'll just give it a label. I'm a literalist. When I hear something, my mind just takes off like a little puppy after a bone. Like I grab it and I want to know more about it.
So when somebody says, I want to spend a penny, you wait for them to take out the money?
Yeah.
And hours pass.
Yeah.
And then they pee in their pants. And you don't feel bad. You're a strange one, Chavi. Rati, we're deflecting from you. Let's get back to you. So, internal corporate communication is... So, amongst all the different employees, you're sort of like the person who has them communicate effectively with each other. Is that it?
Yeah, and also because we are a region, we are 7 countries. So, within the region and also...
And you got the tough ones. You've got Pakistan, you've got Afghanistan, you've got Iran. What else?
Sri Lanka,
Nepal. Also, all these places, English is a challenge, I can presume.
Bangladesh and India.
Bangladesh, there's no hope. They'll never be learned there. But no, I'm kidding. I love Bangladesh. It's the only country that rejected my visa.
No way.
I've never had a visa rejection. I've gone to about 40
Wow,
countries.
they thought you'd immigrate.
No, this was when I was working with MTV when I was young, many years ago. And we had a Sonu Nigam show, the biggest show ever. He's the Elvis of Bangladesh. And we all, we're all very excited. And it was like a group visa. And because of me, because he works with MTV or something, they rejected it. I was honored. Wow. I felt wow. I was like, wow, Bangladesh said no. I mean, that's huge. I felt like a political dissenter, like, oh, they hate my work.
Taslima Nasreen and Cyrus Bocha.
My underground writing has transformed that nation and they're after me. And I was like, I told everyone. Normally, you never tell anyone, oh, England rejected my visa. You never say it. Bangladesh rejects your visa. Somehow people like to tell it. I don't know why.
It's big news.
Let's go back to you, not me. So now this is what you do and you work in Mumbai. And we're going to now test you. Because British Council, of course, it was a little different in my time. Everybody used to go and use their libraries and all. Is that still there?
Sorry, my throat is bad.
Oh, no, don't worry. After being shot by cops and hounded by bus drivers, if you're in physical pain, everybody likes it.
This is minor, yeah.
Huh.
We don't have a physical library here in Bombay.
But it was like the biggest.
It was, but we of course there were issues, people were finding it difficult. So we have a online librry now, which is called My Library in Mumbai.
So I can't actually see a book.
No.
You can't touch it and smell it.
Yeah, but that's part of the reading experience.
And then where do you read it?
Do
you have to have a specific e-reader or what?
No, there are physical books as well as e-books. So, you can order either. But this is only in Mumbai. Otherwise, we have 9 libraries across.
Wait, so if there's no physical library, how do I get my book then if it's a physical book?
It's a mylibrary.britishcouncil.org.
And then do I have to come pick it up or will it show up at my house?
No, it'll show up at your house.
No, so a print copy will come.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like magic. It's like Santa Claus. You write your list and then it'll land up.
Yeah.
Somebody will come down your chimney, no metaphor there.
Santa Claus,
and boom, you get your book.
That's how it is.
So I can challenge them again. Any book I want, for example.
Every day is Christmas, Cyrus.
I want the complete works of Cyrus Brocha. How long will it take?
Only Brit authors.
Hello? We are Parsi. What is the
British
difference?
Library.
We're almost there, yaar. Come to Kuchru Bagh, I'll show you. Cars are parked properly. No bullets. No stray bullets in Kuchru Bagh. All right, let's move on from there to a few important things that we do is we talk about issues here, which unfortunately we won't have too much time because you've gone on talking about yourself, Rati, which is so wrong on a show like this.
Narcissist.
Which let's see, can you spell it, Chavi? Narcissist? Go ahead.
N-A-R.
Yeah.
C-I.
Yeah.
S-S.
I don't know.
I-S-T.
Yes, you're right. You're right. You survived. You dodged the bullet there. Sorry to use that phrase, Rati. We'll move on. Okay. The white-collar workers apparently are up in arms. Well, I don't know if this is true, but there's one white-collar worker who did work or did try to interact with Amazon and now is attacking Amazon and saying that they treat their employees, especially white-collar workers, very badly. You, as a journalist, will investigate this story for us, Rati.
I have read this story and, as you know, in equality and diversity also, work-life balance is, one of the things... one of the strands of equality and diversity. So, I think it's what this story says in NY Times is that they are treating their workers very badly, and most of them are crying on their desks, and they have to work.
Treating them badly?
They try to foster
there's no work-life balance. I read
so is it long hours? Be specific again.
Yeah,
because
long hours. Like one guy said that in work-life balance, the mantra there is that it's first work, then life, then talk about work-life balance. So essentially they're saying they even work on the weekends and they even work on, late night.
But to be honest and give them the credit, the name is Amazon, which means like long, large. So you expect everything to be a little longer and larger than normal. And the second thing is there's only one guy who's filed a complaint, really.
Yeah.
No.
So this one guy has written the story.
There was an article in the New York Times. It was quite a big deal.
Just because the New York Times doesn't mean it's correct.
He has a lot of anecdotes.
Sources.
Once I read in the New York Times, Anu Malik is coming to town. I mean, what's the point? I mean, really.
They wouldn't publish something random like that.
It wasn't the singer.
There is a theory that it's slightly biased.
Same name. Oh, sorry.
There is a theory that the article is slightly biased.
By competitors, Flipkart put it in.
No,
I heard Flipkart put it in.
Other employees have gone on the record.
I don't trust Flipkart. You can't spell wrong. If you spell wrong, I don't trust you.
This is true.
Yeah.
I have to say, I bought a ticket on Go Ibibo, and they have put passenger name, and I was just worried if this booking is fake or not.
There you go. See,
Passenger.
it's all coming through now. This is a conspiracy. And our investigative journalist team of Chavi, no work 6 months, and of course Rati has.
I've been a journalist since 2001.
But now you're working with me. So what do you want? How do you want to put this?
I can still research.
Not really. All we do is adjust ACs. What are you talking about? And I'm sweating.
Oh,
by
it's
the way.
really warm now.
It
I
really
need to
is
take off
warm.
one of my layers.
I think Kiran is doing it because he's sick of
Would
New
you like
Year's.
my shawl now?
No, thank you.
Will you stop having a girl moment there and exchanging
Why?
clothes?
Why?
I'm feeling uncomfortable
Oh,
and
would you
drawn
like
to
it?
you as well at the
Come
same time.
closer,
It's very awkward for me to deal with. Can we get back to my story? So what is happening? Rati, you know better than us. You used to, the tech world was yours. Amazon, is it known? Because after some time you do get a sort of, like MTV, easygoing, laid back. You get a sort of stereotype which comes through. So what is the Amazon story?
Amazon, I mean, this is the story that we are hearing, but it's interesting to see this, because when you think of tech giants like Google and Facebook, you always especially Google, you always have in this, they have football tables
they're really
and
laid back.
there's this fancy lifestyle.
I've been
and
to
all
Google. They have all that. They even have like dispensaries where you can take out food like chocolates and Snickers and Mars and all.
Yeah, so
And-
you've always heard of the
But they charge you as you exit. It's all great for the first 10 minutes. When you go out, they give you a bill. And then they say, Google it if you argue. They're really rude. But so Amazon, does it have a bad name? Is it warranted?
Not
can you
really,
just
because it's just, as I said, there is a strong theory that the article seems, and it depends on the kind of person you are. Some feel that no work-life balance is okay because Amazon is
that
Amazon
person?
where you are.
See,
So,
Caravan
and then
Caravan has this investigative article on one famous English news anchor who appears at 9 o'clock in the night and wears red ties and blue suits and has glasses and has the hair like the early Rajesh Khanna but without the features. And I won't take his name, but it rhymes with Parami. And his first name rhymes with Kornob. And so I don't want to give it
Parami?
out. But anyway, this whole article about how he's a monster at work. In
But he's a
actuality.
pussycat at home.
Yeah, well, I haven't lived with him for the last 2 months, so I can't verify. But so I'm just saying, can they vilify people? Now, we don't know if that's true or not either. Can they vilify people? So this whole company is getting vilified possibly because of 3 disgruntled, angry employees who had a personal axe to grind?
The rebuttal that came from somebody who actually works there basically
And
said
Jeff
that's
Bezos
true.
himself said last night, he said then, why are people working there if this is the story? I mean, he is completely,
Because the job market is difficult.
Yeah,
Where do you
because
go?
Amazon is Amazon. Maybe
Yeah.
it's better to work at Amazon and be crappy, unhappy for 3 years so that you can get a better job.
Or maybe you just can't get other work.
Too
If you
school
could,
of
you
thought,
do this.
really.
It's not that
You think we want to do this podcast? We've been advertising since the first day, Chavi and me. Help! That's our first line. Also our second line. Yeah, it's not fair. So Amazon, I'm very upset about this whole thing. I have 2 friends working in Amazon Bangalore and they don't complain at all. They left Mumbai because they're getting more money and bigger houses.
Exactly my
they
point.
even got new wives.
Exactly
wow.
my point. So there are
What
some
happened to
people
Only
who
Amazon
just
gives you
believe
that.
you have to
leave
work
the
hard.
old wives in Bombay. I'm sorry, Rati. She's asking me another question.
No.
So they leave the old wives in Bombay and they got new wives in Bangalore. And when
good,
they
yeah.
leave the job, they can take back their old wives or they can carry on to Chennai with a 3rd wife.
Nice.
Yeah, the world goes round, man. You got to just accept that.
Your sunglasses are going to fall into your eyes now.
So we're down to talking about that, just nothing else. All right.
Sai's wearing sunglasses in the studio
Yeah.
Because it's so hot.
because he's a celebrity.
Because I drink a lot.
My sunglasses.
Oh, do you know why celebrities wear sunglasses in the flights?
Do tell us.
Please
I don't
tell us.
know. I saw a couple of them
They wear them at
last
night,
couple
yeah?
of
But I
months.
don't mind
and they're
that.
always
What I
wearing
hate is when
sunglasses.
they keep the sunglasses on and take off all the other clothes. Because that's really...
They don't do that around
I've
us.
seen people
I saw
do that.
Kailash Kher, but throughout the flight he's just wearing sunglasses.
But
and
Kailash
they think
Kher
they're
is
in
a lovely
disguise.
guy with a great talent, but he's 5'1". If
Maybe
he doesn't
that's-
put sunglasses on, he won't get on the plane. He'll be like, no, beta, you can't go now. Where's your money? So these things can happen. Think about what you're saying.
I think they think it's a disguise. Like, nobody's going to recognize me if I wear my sunglasses.
Yeah. And,
Or maybe they don't want to make eye contact.
or it's just that
Okay,
you
can I
have
tell the truth?
sunglasses.
I
Maybe
wear-
they're on drugs and their pupils are really dilated and the eyes hurt.
Okay, so
But
now
for
you're
the
not a bleeding
Qurayshis
liberal.
also.
When it's celebrities, you want to take them down. But the bus driver, you cried twice. I mean, this is ridiculous. You've never even been by bus. You can't even spell bus
No,
in
I'm
French.
just asking why.
In French?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
All right, we have to take a
Autobus?
quick break because we've got
Le
calls from the
autobus.
Bus Driver Union of Mumbai, where basically they're very upset. But I want to leave you with this thought about Amazon, since we were discussing Amazon here for a second. Please answer this question. They're very big presence now. They're fighting back against the Flipkarts and all these other
I
guys.
love Amazon.
And they're putting lots of money. I've been told lots of money in the India market, in the Asia market
Hey,
right
we're
now.
looking
as
for
we speak.
sponsors, Amazon.
But in Maharashtra, do we call them Amazon or Amazon? Because I don't want trouble from the locals. Guys, hands up. Amazon?
Amazon.
John.
Amazon? And she's the Jain.
Amazon.
As in, that is the
Amazon.
religious
Yes.
denomination.
Correct.
You know what's
Or you're
John,
Lulu.
right?
Yeah.
Whatever public we had,
We've lost them now.
Gone forever.
Damn it.
We'll be back. Quick break. Back on Cyrus Says, I'll take a break now as Chavi takes over the show. You've not been heard enough and things you want to say. Go on.
Okay then. So what should we talk about? Should we talk about India and its population?
I would like
and
to
how
use,
there's so many of us.
Can I use a lingerie phrase? Let's go with D.
D?
Yeah, I get it. Because I'm always mistaken for a D. Rati, I don't want to brag, but yeah. You know, I got a new puppy from Alibag. And in a market, we found this poor puppy. And so my daughter said, we have to take him home. And you can't say no to your daughter. It's a law in India. What can you do? So I had to take the puppy home. And I was feeding the puppy with a milk bottle because it's really small, like 5 weeks, underage. And unfortunately, the puppy bit my own nipple. And I don't know if it was like a compliment or...
Yeah, I think so. You think you're his mummy.
She was on my chest and I was feeding her like that, holding her tight like that. So the milk doesn't spill out.
Oh.
And she sort of bit my...
This is kind of cute as well as disturbing.
I know. I don't know whether it was a compliment or an insult because I'm now enjoying telling the story. So I think the awkward phase is over.
Right.
Of course, the puppy will never live it down when she becomes a full dog. I can't tell you what my father looks like. My mother. Okay, this is your bit and you're not saying anything. Chavi, segment
we were
D.
on D. Should we talk about dustbins?
Dustbins.
So there is a scheme apparently being floated.
Well, one sec. Has your car been hit by a dustbin, Rati?
No.
No, not yet. Okay, fine.
Not
Go
yet.
on.
Not yet.
Go on.
Okay, stay away from dustbins because these dustbins give you Wi-Fi apparently. So these bright children have come up at actually one of the concerts, not concerts, so there's music festivals at NH7.
NH7.
Yeah.
That's a concert. It's a long one.
It's many concerts.
This festival ka matlab kya hai?
Many concerts.
Yeah, it's
Over
just a
3
plurality
days.
of the same rubbish
And people
music and
getting
the same
drunk
stupid
longer.
kids wasting time.
Longer hangovers.
Yeah, no parking for anyone. Oh, God, don't
Great.
remind
You're
me.
not supposed to meet somebody from Only Much Louder. I don't think they're going to want to meet us anymore.
Why would you want to meet anyone from
Sponsor.
3-letter words? Dangerous in our country. Once you do 3, you need to do 4. And you know what happens when you do 4? It always ends badly.
Yeah?
Look at Coke. Now, let's get back to what you
Coke.
want to talk about. I'm giving
I'm
you a
confused.
segue and you never say
sorry.
anything.
Because
Dustbins
you
and
say
Wi-Fi.
random
Dustbins
things
with
and I go
Wi-Fi.
off in a different direction. So these guys thought nobody's putting stuff into dustbins. What if we reward them? You know, like Pavlovian behavior.
Wow.
So what they did was, if you put something in the dustbin,
It
Wi-Fi
doesn't,
comes
have to
on.
be, it doesn't have to be dirty also.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, here's
So
my uncle.
this is what I
Rustom.
feel is going to happen. They're just going to
Stupid
just start
idea.
chucking things in, right?
Rati Singh's a stupid idea
It doesn't
immediately.
sting.
She's
Like,
cut
why
your
would I
moment.
stand there?
So the dustbin emits Wi-Fi, 4G for a limited time.
What?
Dude.
I don't understand.
So I have to
put
stand next
a-
to the
Yeah.
to the
Dustbin.
dustbin
Yeah.
and hook my
And then you
phone
go
to
online.
my
I don't
know how
Wi-Fi,
much you need to
which
keep-
already has
like
a
you
3G
recharge
connection.
it.
Is it a
10 minutes
metaphor for
over.
our country? Is it? We're online, but it's a dustbin.
It's
Is
a
that what we're
dustbin.
trying to
And we
say?
have to keep replenishing it. What if your 10 minutes are up? Then you like
Hilarious.
hoard your garbage
Yeah.
and throw one thing in, then you wait. 10 minutes ho gaya, acha ek aur cheez
So
chahiye.
now but it'll encourage people. It's a good
Social
idea.
enterprise, right?
I think
Is
it
it?
will because you see a guy with a paper bag, empty wafer packet or whatever. You'll say, "Bhai, ho gaya," and you take it yourself. You put it in. Because I want to chat with my wife. Yeah, it's been
Possibly.
2 hours.
So they're thinking of implementing it in the
I
airports.
give it an A+ for vision and thought. But practicality, I'll give it F because I don't know whether it'll be, really happen.
Yeah. Plus, I have to say, I'm sorry, but our countrymen are just filthy pigs.
And we've not understood the concept of pavements and dustbins.
But we
Let's
don't
be
have
honest.
dustbins
Nobody
anywhere.
walks
Even
on
when you
pavements.
want to throw something in a dustbin, you can never find one anywhere.
And I mistake some people for dustbins sometimes,
what
which
do
is
you
even more
do?
embarrassing. But you're right, we don't have enough dustbins and nobody uses them. And I'll tell you, when we go to Alibag by boat, because my wife is very rich and has a place there, when we go by boat, we have people who eat right next to that one dustbin on the boat. There's a big dustbin. You can't mistake it as one big dustbin. And they're standing there chatting on their phone, eating food and throwing the paper bags.
No!
Yes!
That's horrible.
So
Did you not
Aisha,
throw them off the
let
bloody
me just
boat?
double check. Aisha is my wife, yes. Aisha then gets really angry and goes and screams at them. And then the same thing that you felt, Rati, with the cops when they're blasé and, slightly guilty but want to act all flirty about it or something. That kind of behavior happens. Every time the same behavior happens.
Unbelievable.
Like,
Drives
मैंने
me
देखा नहीं, मैंने
bonkers.
देखा नहीं. Next time.
Yeah.
That kind of thing. Meantime, India is dying. The marine life is killed. 4 sharks fainting right there because Lay's works for you but not for them. And when I say Lay's, I mean the wafer.
Yeah, the
Because
wafers,
otherwise,
yeah.
obviously, it wouldn't make sense.
I remember
And
Whole
the corn,
species
they
would
keep
go.
on throwing corn.
Corn. They threw
also.
everything. I've seen a couple throw a kid off. Of course, that was okay because,
If the kid had been littering, he deserved it.
Oh, liberal? My bleeding heart liberal? What happened?
I'm the person who yells at
Environment
people,
first,
yeah.
kids second. Huh?
Definitely.
बच्चों important
No,
नहीं
no.
है.
Environment second, animals first, kids last.
Animals environment you can put together.
Okay.
Kids.
Then kids, I don't know, 7
So
or 8.
dustbins
I'm
come
sure I
third.
can find
Huh?
things.
Rati, dustbins are big for her. Then kids are 9th at the moment, somewhere there. Yeah.
9B.
Between bus drivers and policemen who shoot out of control. Okay, so that's it. A quick thing on the subject for you.
So
Rati.
you guys, if you're listening, tell us if you think dustbins equals free Wi-Fi for a limited time is a good idea or not. It's Cyrus Says in on Twitter. And what Cyrus says.
But you got to just look at it this way. If you're going to spend 40 minutes hanging around a dustbin while you can upload this or that, end of the matter is
Instagramming photos only of
and
the
people are going to
dustbin,
take pictures of you and you're like, what's happened to your life? I mean, how do you explain that you're actually doing a social service?
Down in the dumps.
I mean,
Life
really?
is in the dumps.
Yeah, I don't know if that's
And
going to
you
work.
don't take a data plan, but go hunting for a dustbin every time you
Rati,
want
your
to.
first joke on the show, you get 5 points. After all that painful social injustices that we went through, so much
Just
that
to
I've almost
clarify,
joined the police force
there was
just to
no-
shoot people.
I can tell you more jokes if you're giving points.
I will give more points.
Just 1 second though. They came up with this idea because there was no network coverage at NH7. So your data plan wasn't going to work.
But why dustbins?
I'm just
Yeah, the
lost.
correlation doesn't work. As a lawyer, you
Well, there
failed.
was no dustbins, there was no Wi-Fi.
There we go.
So,
No dustbins and no network. They thought they will address.
There
both
are
together.
4 dustbins in the whole of India. One is on that boat to Alibag. Nothing is used. What are we talking about? I walk at the Oval in Mumbai, a big Maidan. There are about 3 dustbins there. Nobody uses them. You see people you come early morning to the Oval. Overnight, people have drunk. Alcohol bottles are here. Food is there. Popcorn. As you said, popcorn is a huge criminal. Everything is all over our lovely grounds.
Yeah.
And the dustbin's empty.
Totally.
I can I use it as a safety deposit box. I put my FDAs in there. Very safe. You don't worry about it. You put stuff and nobody will put their hand in.
In
ever.
Rati's favorite part of town, Shivaji Park, they have these really hideous dustbins. They're like little animals with their mouths open. Totally
Yeah,
empty.
we have the same ones, the
Totally
penguin, no?
empty, yeah.
We have guys from outside Bombay coming and posing with it. So they stand, oh yaar, ye hanging gardens pahunch gaya, ye dekh, penguin. And one picture. And then the profile of penguin and him. And after some time, they both look the same. It's just, what's wrong with, let's leave, na Chavi. Get me a job in Canada. Apparently,
You go to cold places. I'll go
I
to
love
Florida.
cold places. And where people don't touch.
Okay.
3-4 things
Minnesota.
that bug me. I hate touching. I hate eye contact. Why can't
Then
we
you
be
should go to
distant
Scandinavia.
people? Yeah.
You need to go to Finland or something.
No, my skin color, women go mad, yeah.
Yeah, they won't leave you alone.
No, never. Bombay Vikings, biggest hit there. He's an Indian guy. He's got like 400 girlfriends. He can't leave the country. It's so big.
What was that song of his?
When everybody is blue-eyed and blonde hair and, white
he's
skin.
big in Australia.
Australia?
Who?
Neerav
Agarwal.
Neeraj
What's his
Sridhar.
name?
Neeraj Sridhar. He's big
Agarwal bana diya usko.
he's big in Sweden.
Yeah,
He's big in
because he's
Sweden.
from
He only
there.
told me, he said, you come there, you have no idea because there's so few brown-skinned people.
So do it.
I know, yaar. They don't have dustbins. I'll miss India.
You don't have garbage. You need to listen.
That-
I have to put in a
I
plug
like
here.
that. That was-
Wait.
Oh.
So in Japan, there are no garbage cans. And that's because people don't do things that need garbage. And we have a story about that on our Tall Tales Takeaway podcast.
I
Yes,
think you're
plug.
wrong. I think you've
Awesome.
not followed this story. In Japan, they do have garbage cans, but because everything is made really minute in Japan, you couldn't see them. All right? And
You
the
have to
amount
listen
of
to the
garbage
story.
disposal is
It'll
very
be out
little
next
because it's a
month.
clean society.
No, Cyrus.
I would
Listen
love to
to
be-
the story.
I would love to be Japanese, but again, we'll plug
love
Tall
to be
Tales.
Japanese?
I would love to be
Aise
Japanese. I love Japan and Germany are my 2 favorite countries. People come on time, leave on time, work is done. That's the kind of world I want to live in. And that the first day on,
And you've been born in the polar opposite.
I was born in
of
Beach
both of
Candy Hospital 10 minutes late.
You just said
It began wrong.
You
It
just
began
said
wrong.
that things are tiny there.
Oh,
and everything is tiny.
Rati.
10 points.
Now the Daliite is coming to the surface, yaar. Suddenly the whole conversation has changed. All right. I think we have to take a quick break and then we'll come back if we have time to talk some more. I think it's been very interesting. Is there anything else you want to talk about? Because we don't have much time. Any subject that you think we should have plugged? Maggie,
It'll be most
I'll give you 3-4
populated.
topics for 2 lines quickly. Maggie, the High Court bounces it back and says Maggie has a chance. What's your take?
No take, really. I mean,
But for 20 years, people are eating Maggie in peace. Generations have grown. Everybody looks good.
It's a
no,
horrible
I just
thing
find
to
it
eat.
weird. Like,
It
we have
shouldn't
always
even be
known
part
it's
of
not
America,
healthy.
Canada and Brazil have said, okay, they have much stronger and stringent testing facilities and levels than us.
But,
So it's, you don't think
whoever
there's some
thinks
sort of...
Maggie is healthy, who
Not
has been
healthy,
thinking
but,
that is...
but for young kids and for, people...
terrible.
It's not healthy for anyone.
It's
So what is
bad
healthy?
brain.
Every
It's pure
food,
maida.
every food group is unhealthy in some
No,
way.
no,
I'll
no,
prove it to you. Fruits, very unhealthy.
Whatever.
Every fruit has a worm. And every worm goes into your body. And when it goes into your body, it can do many things with your body. And destroy your body and make you into a worm. So be very
Why are you
careful.
talking like you're from the Gulf?
I'm working on this Ringaswamy jokes-telling session that I want to do later. Yeah,
Okay.
but we'll isolate a whole lot of our listeners, so I won't discuss it.
Okay, now it's too late, man. What are you
It's
talking
done.
about?
It's over. Okay, we'll take a quick break, then we'll come back and then I'll freewheel a little bit and we'll do AMAs.
Cyrus says, ask me anything. If you want Cyrus to answer your questions on air, send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com. If you send us a link to a sound file on SoundCloud, we'll even play you asking the question in your own voice. And that's what Cyrus says.
And now, here on Cyrus Says, we test our guests' knowledge. It's borrowed from that famous, I don't know if you've seen that famous actor, producer, director who comes on the Colors Infinity channel and, in those vague poses in a suit and doing very strange hand movements with that actress Alia Bhatt. I don't know. Karan, yeah. So it's his idea we've sort of taken. So I'll just point out something and whatever comes to you, all right? India's second innings batting at Gaul.
We've lost.
You're giving me the information that we've lost weeks later.
Feelings, emotions with that.
Sad. Also because I have colleagues in Sri Lanka who really rub this in.
Oh, they must have laughed all day. Mighty India, overpaid cricketers, leading by 192 runs and lose a test match. Chavi will give you the details.
So it's no fun.
Chavi believes Rangana Hera's left arm spin is always going to be a threat because the ball goes away for most of the Indian batsmen.
If you look at my Twitter chat, they've been teasing us all day.
I can't believe it. We can't lose to smaller countries. They just won't let you forget. No. Chavi, just to prove that you're not someone who doesn't know sport.
We're even losing to Bangladesh now. So
we almost did. We just about drew a test match. Okay, Chavi, quickly your cricket question. What's the difference between left arm Chinaman and right arm Googly? And go.
That's
all right, so we'll move on to the next question. Happy memories of sport from Chavi's childhood.
You're not saying anything about the population. Because you're contributing to it. Say something.
All right, the population is out of control. Yes, we're going to overtake China. We discussed this before.
Yeah, 6
By
years
2022,
early.
we will overtake China. Your thoughts?
6 years.
Do you have children, Rati?
No.
Oh, so you've done your bit to stop it.
Oh, that reminds me that it was actually funny. I was talking to last night, when we were talking about this, me and my husband, and I said, have you heard this news? And Modi is doing this, doing that. Why is he not doing anything about the population? So he says, well, he's not doing anything, definitely.
Oops. All right. A man in a saffron shirt has just entered the studio and has asked me to now stand up and join the IIT. Yeah, well, maybe not. But let's get back to a slightly more interesting take on this, which is if you're Chinese and Indian mixed couple and you give birth to a child, do they become a Indian citizen or Chinese citizen? How do we count them? Because there's going to be a battle around 2022 as to who's bigger, China or India in population.
Because the Chinese and Indians are totally having babies together, what?
Well, it could happen. I do know one couple.
You do?
Chinese mother, Indian father. Of course, they've settled here, so basically they become... but I'm thinking in the census, we should count them as both, no?
No.
It's 50% contribution.
So if a Parsi and a Christian have a child...
There's no country attached. Iran went. Somebody else took it. We were supposed to go to Germany. Wrong travel agent, I told you, reached Gujarat. No meat. No daru. It was...
Milk
lovely.
And sugar
It was a dream
cup,
come true. Yeah, sugar. They gave us sugar. Yeah, who can forget that? And with the price rise, it was good we stocked it.
I don't know the answer to that, man.
It's a tough one, no? All right. Time for AMAs. We can't solve anything on this show, but we do have what is called Ask Me Anything. And Chavi is going to put me on the spot. And of course, Rati,
and you're going to love it.
If you're smart enough, you can also try and join us.
I'll try.
If you're smart enough.
These are very, very difficult questions to answer.
Smart enough.
Okay.
Not easy.
First
Not been
question.
done before. Yeah.
Empty-minded devil. What's the best budget
calling me
cell
that?
phone? No, it's from Empty-minded devil.
Okay.
He actually says hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
What lack of respect to the host. The great one.
He's saying hi to us also.
Yeah, I know. He's made it into democracy. I hate him.
I say thanks, Empty-minded devil.
Huh.
Okay. What's the best budget cell phone I can get in the market today for under 10K? And he's put a tongue-out smiley because he knows this is the perfect question for you.
And every podcast we dedicate 20 minutes to how much money you can save buying various different brands of cell phone. So let's give it to our tech expert because we do have one actually coincidentally on the show. Rati, what do you think? You still in touch?
Yeah, thanks for putting me on spot, but no.
Thanks for taking the spot here.
On technology? No idea.
Under 10,000,
Okay,
I don't buy.
Can I answer this question?
I don't buy because I'm against buying. Consumerism, I think it's
Where
terrible.
Where did your phone come from?
Kunal, free, second hand. My shorts are also free. Somebody else
This
gives
is not
them.
technology though.
Shoes came from a guy called Naval Beer, who's a huge banker, very well known. Naval Beer Kumar.
Why did he give you shoes?
Beer in the middle, but BIR it's spelled.
Why did he give you shoes?
This shirt comes in Bittu Cycle.
Why did he give you
something I did with
shoes?
them. The socks come from a play I've done.
Why did he
Because
give
he
you
couldn't
shoes?
buy my old shoes and said, why can't you buy better shoes? And I said, I don't have money. He said, okay, I'll give you my shoes. So I said, give. So I took them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
It works with everything except relatives. You can't say, oh, your uncle looks so ugly, take mine. No, it doesn't work. I've tried that. But yeah, so but minimalism is my game.
Okay, so can I say that the best budget cell phone I've heard of, but it doesn't have that many bells and whistles, is by a company called Inforce. Am I getting this right? Do you know them? They're the guys who make the iPhones. So check it out.
But first hand or
and you might
second hand?
have-
Because second hand, I'm sure we
First
can get him
hand.
something.
First hand.
Chavi, in fact, you could sell your phone, that
I
first
could.
one of yours, for about 9,500.
Yeah,
to
9,999, please. Excuse
Yeah,
me. Profit
under 10
margin
grand.
होना चाहिए.
Yeah. But just by and large, for people listening, do they have, what is the range for phones? I have no idea.
Absolutely. You can get a smartphone from anywhere from 4,500
So
to
you can?
10, yeah.
Like a
Which is the
brand new
best one you want
smartphone.
to-
And smartphones are now, there's a rebirth almost. They're ready to take on the Apple
Yeah, which is how
machine.
people are going to listen to our podcast.
Which one's on our side?
All of them.
Okay, fine. Fair enough. So the answer to the question is there's plenty of different phones available under 10,000 rupees. And because we have a bit of a hearing issue right now and static in the podcast, you may not be able to hear the brands I mentioned. And also, and if you go to Baikala, in Delhi, House Cost, in Bangalore, City Lane, Shakespeare calling.
I can't do this anymore.
So basically, I think we've answered all the questions.
We've covered in all of
We've
it.
covered pan-India.
Yeah. Okay, next question. From a non-user, he says, what would happen to Cyrus if he was stuck in Sakinaka for a whole day?
Well, there is many forms of torture. There's many forms of pain. And this is amongst the top 10 that I can think of, along with hemorrhoids and marriage simultaneously. So this is huge. I'd had happened to me many times when they used to do, the bridge work was going on. Coming back was like, for me, from town, from Jogeshwari to town would be like 4 hours.
Do you know where is Sakinaka?
But that is the terrible thing in Andheri that you have to enter and
not-
go into.
yeah,
So going into and
yeah.
coming out of is 2
So,
hours.
Pavai, it's where the bullets fly, man.
Yeah, well, maybe.
Stay away. Stay away.
But it's really, I don't know why the thing doesn't improve. It has for a little while, but apparently it's a bit of a lottery. If you get wrong time and you're really, what kind of country? I mean, it's 10 kilometers away and it takes you 4
ranting.
hours.
What would you?
Oh,
what
who
would
asked
happen?
this kind of question? He's making
what
me
would
feel
happen
bad.
to you if you were stuck in Sakinaka for
You know,
a whole
I've
day?
tried to choke myself with my own hands, and unfortunately I can't drive at the same time, so it became difficult. But if I have a passenger listen to the rally, I would say, please, just choke me, because I can't do this. I hate being stuck in traffic. By the way, on the way to Alibag, there's a place called Pain, which
Yeah.
is rightly named, because it's really
P and
painful.
pain.
And it takes hours to cross, and there's no reason. We've never figured out what the reason is.
Pain.
There's a small crater in the road about 3 inches long, and for that, it just takes an hour to cross.
Maybe it's
every
very
time.
deep, like 12 feet or something.
I don't know. When these things happen, you really wonder
It could
whether
swallow your car, perhaps.
No,
Like
nothing.
Audrey in The Little Shop of Horrors.
It just doesn't end. It's very torturous. And if you're one of those anxiety people who hates taking long to get anywhere, which is me, Sakinaka is just 2 of the worst
Get
words.
a chopper, man.
Sakinaka, 2 of the worst words in the Marathi language. Let me be honest with you. And I
Fair
know the
enough.
language.
Yeah.
Unlike Rati. I can speak the language. Maiti Marathi.
You deserve to be in Bombay.
Everybody
Not
deserves to be in Bombay.
Daddy got a transfer, and
Sarcastic.
sadly, unfortunately,
You deserve it.
Fortunately,
You asked for this.
C'est la vie, as we
Oh,
say in the
next
Hindi.
question. Next question.
bolo.
Ankit Sharma, who is Ankit Live on Twitter, says he's a big fan.
Not live live.
Oh, LIV hai.
LIV. That's interesting. I wonder what he's trying to mean. Liver, maybe. Maybe he drinks a lot. Tell us.
He says he's a big fan. When can we expect Cyrus Sahukar on the show?
Saukar genetically is very challenged. He's 6'3" tall. He won't fit into this door. And he's also at the moment going through a lot of personal problems. He's discovered pimples in places where you shouldn't be having anything.
Are you supposed to talk about his business like on?
He's very clear that this is something he needs to deal with. He's going to K2, is it? The famous Himalayan mountain. And he's sitting there until he finds some sort of enlightenment, then he'll come back. He's just going through a withdrawal. No one can say, because he's half Punjabi, half Parsi, genetics are all over the place. No one can, like we can predict in nature about the wolf or the dog. When you mix the dog and the wolf, you can't. So what happens is that in this case, we have no precedent. We can't tell you what's going to happen in his case. So we just look and hope for the best.
He's half Punjabi
Yes.
with a name like Sahukar.
See, he bangs into a door, but he has a Hindi accent. So immediately you know the banging came from the Parsi, the accent came from the Punjabi, and because if a Parsi banged into the door, it would be a Gujarati gali, and his is a Punjabi gali, but it's the same gali to do with the sister of the relative.
I see. Okay. Next question. From Chinu Bhai in Florida, Chinmay had 2 questions, but we're going to choose just the one and save one.
But say
for
what
later.
both are, and then let's take a decision.
Okay, 1. How do we stop the excessive use of the word like? For example, I was like, OMG. And Sachinmay says, no, you literally said OMG. Why use like?
Okay. This is the guy I want
This
for
is the
dinner
first
companion
question.
in Sakinaka when I'm stuck in traffic
Okay, second
all
question.
night. Second question.
When can we expect celebrities on the podcast? You can bring them in for their movie promotion.
Hold for laughter. We can't get them on general entertainment channels without 25 lakhs sent to their charity in their name. It's going to be very difficult. There's only celebrity we can afford are these stand-up comedians who even we don't know who they are. So it's a bit embarrassing for us. But then we research them and then we put them on, and that's the best we can do. But I'm trying to... what do you think, Rati? Do we need celebrities everywhere? India's like one-dimensional. Everything sell. Put a cricketer, put a film star, sell. It's too much.
Models at some point.
Couples show is enough for that.
That's what, but his is only one show. Everything is like that. They have to push with the same...
cement and pata nahi what not, pens and underwear.
Yeah. It's like 10 people are important, the rest aren't. If we don't have those 10 people, we shouldn't be on TV or radio. So this podcast is fighting that. No celebrities will be allowed until they give up their celebrity status. So if you do that, you can come on.
Maybe if they pay us.
And remove sunglasses.
So we are like, we are like the communists of celebrities in a way. Yeah.
We've had some celebrities.
Are you out of your
Ashwin
mind?
Mushran has a Wikipedia page, man.
Okay. We've hit the big time. The mother load. We can't go bigger than that. We're done now. We've reached the end, the zenith of the podcast.
All right. Last question was actually to you. So there's somebody on Twitter called Virinder Vilkhu, who is Filmantic on Twitter. And at some point, I had tweeted that I had taken a selfie on my phone and Google's camera thinks I'm a 28-year-old, which is charming, but it also thinks I'm male. So, yeah. So Virendra asked me to check on you.
Okay.
And I just did, and here's the answer. So how old do you think Google camera will say you are, Cyrus?
24 female.
Rati, do you have an Android phone?
No, I believe that.
No, do you have an Android phone?
No, I have both actually.
And have you ever had Google tell you how old they think you are?
No.
Should we try it?
No thanks. No thanks.
Okay, well, I got Cyrus's answer.
So
Google thinks Cyrus is male.
Where do you ask that?
Male, first
just take a
time.
selfie
First
with your
time.
profiles
I don't want to know the
by
age.
itself.
I'm happy with this.
And,
I win.
It says you're male, so you won. You won this.
Where is it saying
Rati,
that?
you're
It
male.
does. I don't know when.
Who's male?
You are male,
I'm
Cyrus.
male.
He's
Thank God
male.
I'm male. God, I'm male. God, I hate Indian males. Why am I male?
I'm a 24-year-old female today.
Who?
No, 34. It
said-
says 34.
Who's 34?
24, yeah. It says
You
24.
or me?
It went to 34.
Yours maybe 34.
I don't think we can get celebrities on this
49.
podcast. Huh?
Okay.
Rati's a 49-year-old
We're not playing this game. We're playing this game.
Rati, you're 49-year-old male?
I'm 49-year-old.
Why did you come to Bombay? First they shoot your car.
To me,
Then they bang your
24-year-old
car. Then they call you names.
I'm going away.
This is a terrible city for you. And just, Chavi, you are how old on the Google
24.
app? 24 female.
Yeah.
Right.
That's
And
awesome.
you
I'm
Googled it
49
yourself.
and I'm male.
I didn't Google it. It's the camera. There's nothing to do except point.
Right. But the camera is always right in your eyes.
I was a 28-year-old male yesterday.
And I was just a male. They didn't give me an age also. They just-
37.
37. Bastards. Alright, so we have time for. Thank you. That's it from all of us on Cyrus Says. Rati, thank you and all the best to you. And please,
It's been a pleasure.
don't buy a place in Powai.
No.
Come
No,
talk.
we're very far off now.
Talk
We're
to my
in-
broker.
Yeah.
He did Mulayam Singh's bungalow. He's big. Really big. Not the ex-chief minister of UP. He's just a guy.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All views and opinions expressed on this show are not necessarily the views and opinions of the IndusVox Media Network or any of our show advertisers or sponsors. No animals were harmed in the making of this podcast, obviously.
All right, if you've listened to the show called Cyrus Says and you want your money back, let me tell you, that can't be done right now. But we can make you feel better if you listen to Made in India. That's M-A-E-D, Made in India, with May. There's no D in May. Although, maybe one day.